Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious and easy bean soup. First, let's talk about soaking your dried beans. This crucial step significantly reduces cooking time and helps achieve a wonderfully creamy texture. For every 1 cup of dried beans, use 3 cups of water. Let them soak overnight, or for at least 8 hours, to ensure they cook evenly and become perfectly tender. Once your beans are properly soaked, drain and rinse them well. Place the rinsed beans into a large pot and cover them with fresh water, ensuring the water level is about 2 inches above the beans. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook for 1 to 2 hours or until the beans are tender, stirring occasionally. Now let's build some incredible flavor for your soup. In a separate pan, sauté aromatic vegetables like diced onions, carrots, and celery until softened. Add your favorite herbs and spices, such as bay leaves, a pinch of dried thyme, and a touch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Then, combine these with your cooked beans and a good quality broth. To achieve a lovely, thick consistency, mash about 1/4 of the cooked beans directly in the pot. Stir everything together, then taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. For a final flourish, garnish each serving with some fresh chopped parsley or a drizzle of high-quality olive oil. Enjoy your homemade, comforting bean soup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.